Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to remote control your Mac from your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your Mac screen and select System Preference. Then click Sharing. Step 2. Tick the box next to Screen Sharing. You will also see that your Mac OS address and name is also displayed under Screen Sharing on. Step 3. Launch the Google Chrome browser on your Mac. If you do not have Chrome installed, you can find it on the Mac App Store. Go to the https://remotedesktop.google.com. Access slash and log into your Google account. Step 4. You would be taken to the Google Chrome Remote Desktop page. Click the download button located in the Setup Remote Access box. Step 5. Now that you are in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Step 6. When prompted, click Add extension will Chrome Remote Desktop app will download. Step 7. Back on the Chrome Remote Desktop web page, you will see the app is ready to install. Click Accept and install. Step 8. When prompted to open the download, click Yes and will see an icon called Chrome Remote Desktop host.package. Double click the icon. Step 9. Follow the on-screen instruction to install Chrome Remote Desktop host. Click Install when prompted, for example. Step 10. Choose name. Step 11. When asked, enter a PIN consisting of at least 6 numbers. Remember this PIN and click Start if prompted. Allow Chrome Remote Desktop host to control your computer and record the contents of your screen. Step 12. Now grab your iPhone and open the App Store. Once open, search for Chrome Remote Desktop and tap once downloaded and install. Open the app. Step 13. Sign into the app using the same Google account details as before. You will now see your remote device. Click the Mac you want to remotely access. Step 14. After a few seconds, the app will connect to your computer. Enter your PIN and click the arrow button when asked. If you want to allow remote desktop to find and connect two devices on the local network, click OK. Step 15. You are now connected to your Mac and you will be able to control it from your iPhone. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you.